In this video we will talk about user experience, UX, design and its key features. 1. Introduction. 2. What does a UX designer do? 3. Job opportunities for UX designer? 4. Average salary of UX designer? Introduction. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we're diving into the world of user experience, UX, design. In this digital age, where user expectations are higher than ever, delivering exceptional experiences is key to success. Join us as we explore the power of UX design and how it can transform the way users interact with digital products and services. Understanding user experience design. The impact of UX design. Why does UX design matter? User-centered design approach. Elements of effective UX design. Let's explore some key elements that contribute to effective UX design. Information architecture. Visual design. Interaction design. Usability testing. The role of UX design in various industries. Embracing the future of UX design. Conclusion. That brings us to the end of our video on the power of user experience, UX, design. We hope you now understand how UX design can transform digital experiences and drive user engagement. Remember, investing in UX design is investing in the success and satisfaction of your users. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, happy designing! What does a UX designer do? A UX, user experience, designer is responsible for creating and enhancing the overall experience that users have when interacting with a digital product or service. Their primary focus is on understanding user needs, behaviors, and goals to design intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable experiences. Here are some key tasks and responsibilities of a UX designer. User research. Conducting user research to gain insights into user behaviors, preferences, and pain points. This involves techniques such as interviews, surveys, and usability testing to understand user needs and gather feedback. Creating personas. Developing user personas based on research findings to represent the target audience. Personas help designers empathize with users and design experiences that cater to their specific needs and goals. Information architecture. Organizing and structuring information in a logical and intuitive manner. This includes creating sitemaps, user flow diagrams, and content organization to ensure easy navigation and findability. Wireframing and prototyping. Creating low-fidelity wireframes or interactive prototypes to visualize the layout, structure, and functionality of a digital product. These prototypes serve as a blueprint for the final design and help gather early feedback from stakeholders and users. Visual design. Collaborating with visual designers to create visually appealing interfaces that align with the brand identity and create a pleasing user experience. This involves selecting appropriate colors, typography, imagery, and visual elements. Interaction design. Defining how users interact with a product by designing intuitive and responsive user interfaces. This includes creating clear navigation, input forms, buttons, and other interactive elements that guide users through the application or website. Usability testing. Conducting usability tests to evaluate the usability and effectiveness of a design. This involves observing users as they interact with a prototype or a live product, collecting feedback, and identifying areas for improvement. Iterative design. Embracing an iterative design process by continuously refining and enhancing the design based on user feedback and evolving project requirements. UX designers work closely with stakeholders, developers, and other team members to ensure design implementation aligns with user-centered goals. Collaboration and communication. Collaborating with cross-functional teams such as developers, visual designers, product managers, and stakeholders to ensure alignment and smooth execution of the design vision. Effective communication skills are essential for presenting design concepts, articulating design decisions, and gathering feedback. Job opportunities for UX designer? UX designers are in high demand across various industries as organizations recognize the importance of delivering exceptional user experiences. Here are some common job opportunities for UX designers. UX designer, UI designer, Interaction designer. Information architect. UX researcher. Usability tester. UX writer. UX strategist. UX consultant, freelancer. Product designer. Average salary of UX designer? The average salary of a UX designer can vary depending on factors such as location, experience level, industry, and the organization size. Salaries can also differ between countries and regions. However, to provide you with a general idea, I'll provide salary ranges based on data from various sources. Entry-level UX designer, $60,000 minus $80,000 per year. Mid-level UX designer, $80,000 minus $100,000 per year. Senior UX designer, $100,000 minus $130,000 plus per year. Thanks.